Welcome to Venture, the learning channel on YouTube. Welcome to Venture, your learning channel. We are talking about scams. Top 10 list of scams of 2021. There are many ways to measure the largest scams, but most measure them by the number of people affected and the total dollars scammed. Our list focuses on the scams that you could avoid, those reported to the CFR, FTC, Fraud.org, and BBB, Better Business Bureau. For detailed explanations of each scam, how to report a scammer, and how to protect yourself, click on the blue titles below for more information. We have compiled other lists as well. Debt collection. Most of the complaints under this category involve debt collectors. Consumers tell of receiving calls from harassing collectors who are threatening and will repeatedly call attempting to collect a debt. Other complaints that fall under this category involved credit/debit card fees, payday loans, credit repair companies, and authorized use of credit/debit cards. Some of these complaints involved hidden fees and billing disputes as well. Fake government officials. If you received an email, letter, or phone call from a government agency, typically the IRS or FBI, and it instructs you to wire, Western Union or MoneyGram money someplace, or follow a link and enter information, don't believe it. The U.S. government would never instruct anyone to use those methods to pay any bill or carry out a financial transaction, particularly with an overseas bank or agency. Identity theft, phishing, and farming. Scammers gain access to your confidential information, like social security numbers, date of birth, and then use it to apply for credit cards, loans, and financial accounts. Typically, the victim receives an email that appears to be from a credible, real bank or credit card company, with links to a website and a request to update account information. But the website and email are fakes, made to look like the real website. Phone scams. This includes telemarketers violating the Do Not Call list, robodialers, scammers calling up pretending to be from a bank or credit card company. The National Do Not Call Registry US or the National Do Not Call List, Canada, offer consumers a free way to reduce telemarketing calls. Scammers call anyway, of course, and they've even found a way to scam consumers by pretending to be a government official calling to sign you up or confirming your previous participation on the Do Not Call list. A good example of this is the Your Microsoft license key has expired scam call, which you can hear and read about on this page. Loan scams, credit fixers. False promises of business or personal loans, even if credit is bad, for a fee upfront. Or a scam that promises to repair your credit for a fee, fake prizes, sweepstakes, free gifts, lottery scams. You receive an email claiming you won a prize, lottery, or gift, and you only have to pay a small fee to claim it or cover handling costs. These include scams which can go under the name of genuine lotteries like the UK National Lottery and the El Gordo Spanish Lottery. Unsolicited email or telephone calls tell people they are being entered or have already been entered into a prize draw. Later, they receive a call congratulating them on winning a substantial prize in the national lottery. But before they can claim their prize, they are told they must send money to pay for administration fees and taxes. The prize, of course, does not exist. No genuine lottery asks for money to pay fees or notifies its winners via an email. Internet merchandise scams. You purchase something online, but it is either never delivered or it is not what they claimed it was, or is defective. Online shopping and other shop from home, such as catalog, mail, and phone shopping scams are on the rise. Automobile-related complaints. Car loans, car buying, car sales, auto repair, fake or useless extended warranties. Some of the complaints alleged consumers paid for repairs and that services provided were shoddy. Consumers reported repair companies that returned vehicles to the consumer in a worse condition than how it was initially given to them. Other complaints involved consumers not receiving title to their vehicles at the time of sale. Credit bureaus and related credit scams. Credit/debit card fees, payday loans, credit repair companies, and unauthorized use of credit/debit cards. Some of these complaints involved hidden fees and billing disputes as well. Phishing/spoofing emails. Emails that pretend to be from a company, organization, or government agency but ask you to enter or confirm your personal information. More videos coming soon to Venture. Other common scams. Internet auction frauds. Auction frauds, commonly called eBay or PayPal scams, after the two largest venues, is a misrepresentation of a product advertised for sale through an internet auction site, or the failure to deliver products purchased through an internet auction site. Nigerian advance fee frauds, AFF. These frauds take the form of an offer, via letter, email, or fax, to share a huge sum of money in return for using the recipient's bank account to transfer the money out of the country. The perpetrators will often then use the bank account details to empty their victim's bank account. Often they convince the victim that money is needed up front, to pay fees, or is needed to bribe officials. Passive residual income scams. Get-rich scheme and scam websites, make dollar in your spare time. It's so easy once you get their free book or CD and learn their secrets. Sure, these websites are themselves scams, claiming to offer you a good deal, when at best, their products are worthless, they have no real secrets, and worse, some are identity thieves. FreeCreditReport.com. What a scam this one is. The name of the website is FreeCreditReport.com, but you'll only get a credit report when you sign up for their paid service. And worst of all, there is a government-mandated website where you can get a free credit report. Find out more here. Work-at-home scams. Work-at-home and business opportunity scams are often advertised as paid work from home. After the would-be worker applies, they are asked for money up front to pay for materials, and, after paying, they hear nothing back. A variation of this is, people are asked to invest in a business that has little chance of success. Matrix and multi-level marketing and pyramid schemes. Make money now? Scream their websites. And do it in your spare time. Earn big bucks for almost no work. If that isn't enough to tell you it is a scam, let us explain why it is. These schemes are promoted through websites offering expensive electronic gadgets as free gifts in return for spending about $25 on an inexpensive product, such as a mobile phone signal booster. Consumers who buy the product then join a waiting list to receive their free gift. The person at the top of the list receives his/her gift only after a prescribed number of new members join up. The majority of those on the list will never receive the item. Pyramid schemes offer a return on a financial investment based on the number of new recruits to the scheme. Investors are misled about the likely returns. There are simply not enough people to support the scheme indefinitely. Property investment scams. Investors attend a free presentation, which aims to persuade them to hand over large amounts of money to enroll on a course promising to make them a successful property dealer, usually involving no money down. Schemes can involve the offer of buying yet-to-be-built properties at a discount. Other variations include a buy-to-lease scheme where companies offer to source, renovate, and manage properties, claiming good returns from rental income. The properties are generally near derelict and the tenants non-existent. 900 phone number scams. Postal notification of a win in a sweepstake or a holiday offer in this scam include instructions to ring a premium rate number. This is generally a 900 toll number. Calls to the number incur significant charges, the recorded message is lengthy, and the prize often does not exist. It is a scam that has been around a long time, but it is still in use. Advance fee brokers. Often these appear to be very professional operations with attractive websites and advertisements. However, it is illegal for a business to charge a fee prior to providing a loan. Typically, after wiring money to the scammer, the victim never receives the loan. These lenders will use fake physical addresses or the addresses of real companies. Credit repair services with advance fees. Consumers with bad credit ratings are particularly vulnerable to this scam. Everything a credit repair operation offers an individual can do personally at little or no cost. Credit repair operations cannot ask for money in advance, and they cannot automatically remove legitimate negative reports from your credit history. Foreign lottery scams. Any lottery from a foreign country is illegal in the United States. Stating a person can win or is a winner already provides a strong incentive. However, people should never send money to obtain lottery money. Scammers using fictitious addresses will request you send fees and taxes to them through a wire service, take the cash and never provide. Welcome to Venture, the learning channel on YouTube. Welcome to Venture.